Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we will now solve some problems related to inequalities where the strategy is working on two steps or the two-step inequalities. Now let's start. So when we talk about linear inequalities where the concern is two-step, I have this mnemonic which is the SAD M or the reverse of the MDAS. So what you're going to do is that you subtract or add and then divide or multiply. However, let's be reminded that if we divide a negative, both sides of the inequality, we will flip the inequality. So from is less than to is greater than, or is less than or equal to is greater than or equal, and vice versa. So let's have some examples. Okay, let's solve this one. 2x minus 7 is less than or equal to 5. So let's have now the solution. So we have now 2x minus 7 is less than or equal to 5. Now what are we going to do is add 7 both sides. So 2x minus 7 plus 7 is less than or equal to 5 plus 7. Now the sum would lead us to 2x is less than or equal to 12. And then we divide both hand side by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is less than or equal to 12 divided by 2. And then the answer is x is less than or equal to 6. Now, in order to check if our answer is correct, so let's do some checking. So x is less than or equal to 6. So we are now using now x is 6. So we have now 2x minus 7 is less than or equal to 5 as the original inequality. And then substituting now the value 2 times 6 minus 7 is less than or equal to 5. So we have now 12 minus 7 is less than or equal to 5. So we have now 5 is less than or equal to 5, which satisfy now the inequality. And now we are now sure that x is less than or equal to 6 is the answer. Let's have this example. Negative 3x plus 11 is greater than 2. So the solution is this one. So we write now the inequality, negative 3x plus 11 is greater than 2. So we need to do is to deduct negative 11 both sides, or rather we deduct 11 both sides. So we have now negative 3x plus 11 minus 11 is greater than 2 minus 11. So we have the difference of negative 3x is greater than negative 9. So we divide both hand side by negative 3. So negative 3x divided by negative 3 is greater than negative 9 over negative 3. Now, we divide the negative, so we will now flip now the inequality symbol. So, is from greater is greater than, it will lead us to is less than. So, the answer is x is less than 3. Now, let's do some checking. So, x is less than 3. So, the first integer that is less than 3 is 2. So we will use now 2, and the original inequality is negative 3x plus 11 is greater than 2. So we have now negative 3 times 2 plus 11 is greater than 2. So we have now negative 6 plus 11 is greater than 2. So the answer is 5 is greater than 2, and that satisfied our inequality. So therefore the answer x is less than 3 is correct. I hope you learned something about the two-step inequalities, and I hope you have a great day and you learned something with this one. Thank you very much, everyone.